I got a brand new Tesla Model Y Juniper, beautiful white here at the San Diego Ceramic Pro facility. And this car came straight from Tesla San Diego to get done a machine polish and a ceramic coating. As you may know, here in San Diego, extremely tough on paint because the sun is so bright, because we have a lot of industrial fallout. So what the ceramic coating is going to do is it's going to make this Tesla look beautiful, bright white. And the ceramic coating will help prevent industrial fallout and things from sticking, also help prevent minor wear, scratches and things like that, and be excellent at preventing environmental staining. We do a ton of Teslas here in San Diego at the Ceramic Pro San Diego facility, and as you can see, this is no longer your ordinary white Tesla. This will be one of the shiniest white Teslas on the street, and that's because of the Ceramic Pro coating on it. If you're looking to do something like this, check out Ceramic Pro San Diego here in Miramar. As I said, we do tons of Teslas here at the Ceramic Pro San Diego shop. This is just one of the types of services we do, so if you're looking at ceramic coating options in San Diego for your Tesla, please check us out. Thanks so much.